Let me show you this simple but delicious sous vide skirt steak recipe. Let's get started. First, you're going to get yourself a couple of skirt steaks. I did 2 of these because it's a really simple recipe and they do shrink down quite a bit and go pretty fast. I'm going to hit this with some toasted sesame oil. Brush that on and get it evenly distributed. Now I hit this with some salt, pepper, garlic. Some ground ginger. And an onion powder. Flip these over, get it seasoned on the backside. I'm going to sear these before they go in the sous vide. Got a cast iron skillet screaming hot. This only takes a couple of minutes on each side. You just want to get a good sear on them and a nice little crust. While these are searing, you're going to want to hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It helps my channel. Now I'm going to get my sous vide prepped. You're going to set this for 150 degrees and you're going to cook this for 8 hours. Now I prep my sous vide bag, get some more toasted sesame oil, some soy sauce, and some teriyaki sauce. Good splash of that in there. It just adds a little bit more flavor while it's cooking. Meat goes in the bag. Get these into the sous vide bath. Let that settle and then get all the air out of the bag. You can use a vacuum sealer. I just use Ziplocs for this. This is an 8-hour cook. Once this comes out, let it rest for about 20 minutes in the bag, in the sauce, and then make sure you cut this across the grain. So I make one cut with the grain, and then I'm gonna turn these and cut these into strips. For a skirt steak, which is normally a tough cut, this is delicious. The long cook really tenderizes it. You can see this meat just pulls apart. You could do this in tacos or add it to some stir fry. It does have a little bit of an Asian tang to it because of the toasted sesame oil and the ginger. The teriyaki sauce also adds a little bit of that Asian flavor. You're going to want to add this to your rotation. It is simple, delicious. And for me, I love serving this over rice. Add a little bit of that juice from the sous vide bag and bon appetit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more of my videos, hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.